Tracking your receipts is super easy. Hit the plus button at the top of the screen to get started. Take an image either from your photo library or from your camera right away. You can then put in a little bit of info about the receipt, such as where it was from, the total amount. You can see VAT on screen right now. That's because I'm using a UK app, but in Australia, America, etc. it'll be in your own local sales tax. Also choose what the payment method was and add in some notes where necessary. Check everything's alright because you won't be able to edit it after you've saved. When you do hit save, it's going to log in your receipt manager like so. Now you're able to perform multiple actions on these receipts. Firstly, you can use the search bar up at the top and search for any keywords that might be contained within your receipt. You can also use the filter button to filter through category or from your date from and date to. This is going to narrow down the selection and make it a bit easier for you to work with. Now if you want to perform actions on all of your receipts, hit the tick at the top and then select the receipts that you would like to choose. From here you're able to export it to yourself, to your accountant or to any other email address that you wish. When you do export it, it's going to send a CSV file and zip up all of the images nicely for the receiver. The final point is, if you need to get rid of a receipt for any reason, simply swipe left and then you can delete. You'll have also seen on screen there that you can export in that same setting, making it super quick and easy to log receipts on the go.